Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Profit, and we're going to be looking at Harmony, or One. This is one of those comments that I get a lot about. I cannot believe how many people have been commenting about this one. Just in my last video, let's go back and see. I believe we had a couple comments on it. Looks like we had, Harmony please, and then I think there was another one. Couldn't you look at One? So, yeah, we are going to look at Harmony. I think we get a few comments every day to look at Harmony, so we're going to do it. Looks like it's right now at that 6-cent mark, and we have a market cap at about 590 million. We have a volume of the last 24 hours sitting about 139.3 million, and the circulating supply at 9.3 billion. So before I get into the actual price prediction, I do want to say, guys, I do not ever give you guys financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do a bunch of research. I've actually have many hours of studying Harmony before today. I know what it's about. I know about where I already predict the price being before this video, and that's why I decided to make this video today. And I thought, I look at the comments. I think the suggestions from yesterday as well, so I started already thinking about making a Harmony video. But just remember, do your own research. I'm never going to give you the exact right idea of what to do, and I'm never going to give you that financial advice in the first place. So in the last 24 hours, we see a 16.66% increase. Last week alone, we see about 66% increase. Last month, 122% increase. Last year, we see that large 3,520% increase. And, it's a big deal because Harmony is, I'm going to say it right now, it definitely has potential. And we're going to go into the website and really read about it before I tell you more about what I think about it. So scaling Ethereum applications and cross-chain finance. If we go down, we're going to start seeing a lot more information about Harmony and what it does. I suggest everybody go in here, and if you're going to put a lot of money into something like this, always do your research. So come to the website, see what it's all about, see if it's something you believe in, see if there's a future for that, see if there's a need for this coin. But it definitely does seem like that after we start looking more into this. So the sharding and staking on mainnet. How to scale Ethereum applications in 2021. Harmony is a sharding protocol with a trustless Ethereum bridge. Our developers use Ethereum tooling such as Solidity and Ether.js. Users use MetaMask to store, and they use our bridge to swap Harmony of Ethereum assets. We achieve 2-second finality for fast transactions and support 1,000 delegating stakers for secure shards. A cross-chain Uniswap port is already live on our mainnet. Similar to Layer 2 protocols, Harmony is now a fully interoperable with Ethereum ecosystem. So you can go to the swap demo. They give you the stats right here, live stats, I believe. And then we go down to here, and we see that Harmony actually beats out Ethereum, Ethereum 2, Cosmos, and Polkadot in a lot of ways here. Obviously, I'm not going to go into each one, but yes, it does actually have a, it's a very solid coin, has a very solid system to it. I believe this project is one of those that is a long-term investment opportunity. If we go down to the platform strengths, we see that it's secure random state sharding, fast consensus with instant finality, and effective POS and token economics. There's a bunch of information on each one of those. I suggest reading those before you invest a lot of money. Obviously, the more money you invest, the more you're going to want to research into it, is my opinion on that. But the open development, scaling Ethereum applications and cross-chain finance. Harmony has been building a scalable blockchain for 3 years. In this talk, we share our journey and look ahead of this fintech revolution. So I suggest reading some of these open developments, but it does seem like a solid team as well. I did some research on the team. These guys have a pretty good past, and I think their future is going to be just as bright working on Harmony. If we go to the ecosystem and partners, we see that they are partnered and trusted by Binance and a bunch of other ones that you may not know as well. Trust Wallet, Ledger. I mean, there's a lot of big names in here, but I'm sure you don't know every single one. The decentralized validators. Harmony aims to build an open network of nodes and operated and governed by a large community. This node community is called Pangaea. So you can join 640 and more validators. And then they just have some news and progress at the bottom. So you can see that, recently they got a sponsor of some sort and, something about the white paper and keep building our ideas of the best decentralized applications, medium.com. They have a bunch of little milestones and roadmap at the bottom. You guys all know how much I love the roadmap. So let's click over here and see if the roadmap see how it looks. So they kind of talk about all of this. But yeah, it's pretty much the same chart right here. You're going to see what they think they're going to be doing in 2020 quarter 4. Obviously, that's passed by now. You can see how they did those, how they implemented them, see if they did a good job, and see if that represents how much the founders and the team want to really push the polishing after making it happen. So 2021 quarter 1, we're going to see the Ethereum endpoints, Web3.js, MetaMask wallets, Trust Bridge with light client, fast state sync. So I would check into how that has went for them before investing, because if they're promising things that they're not actually working on, or promising things that they're not able to, completely meet the needs for, I would be very weary. But it does seem like Harmony does have what it takes. I think they are a long-term investment opportunity. Like I told you in the beginning, Harmony is definitely one of those that is going to reach that 7-cent mark. It's on its path right now. It's at 0.0638, and I see it reaching 7 cents by the end of March. By the end of April, that is where the stimulus checks obviously are going to be all out to everybody, and I think that Harmony is going to benefit from that. I think it's going to hit that 10-cent mark in the end of April, as well as a lot of other cryptos booming at that time. I think April is going to be a great month for crypto in general, but Harmony, I think it does benefit and reach that 10-cent mark in April. Obviously, we saw a pretty big jump this week and this month in general, but mostly this week we see that it did stabilize around that 54 cent range, 58 cent range, and then it did have its recent jump again. So if we can try to continue this jump higher than the last one, if we can get a higher peak and then a less of a dip and a stabilization above that previous peak, that's when we'll really know we are headed in the right direction. But either way, I think Harmony reaches, like I said, that 7-cent mark by the end of March, and then I think it reaches 10 cents by the end of April. By the end of the year, I could easily see Harmony being a 25 cent to 50 cent range, possibly $1 if everything goes according to plan and the roadmap is polished and well made. Like I said, it's a lot depending on how well they do their projects and updates that they are planning on doing. Obviously, there's one thing to say you're going to do it, but it's another to polish it and make sure it's working to a level that everybody is happy with. But that is going to be my price prediction for Harmony. I appreciate all the comments, asking me to do Harmony. It's one I've been looking at for a little while, and I've thought about doing it, but you guys pushed me to the edge, and now you got your Harmony price prediction. And depending on this video, we'll see if we continue to do updates on Harmony, and our price prediction obviously will change as the days go on. It gets a little bit adjusted according to what the most recent prices and updates are. But thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Always do your own research, like I always say. I'm not a financial advisor. But thanks, guys, for tuning in, and hit that like button, like always. Subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. I really do appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. Just 10 days ago, I want to say that I was at 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 videos. And now today, we're over 4K subscribers. We're over 100-something thousand views. We're just booming, and there doesn't seem to be much hate in the comments, and I really do appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving me. I really hope you guys stick with me to the long haul. At the end of this year, I'm sure I'll be doing giveaways. With how much this community has grown, I will be supporting you early subscribers, because you guys are the ones that make me, pump out 6 videos a day. You guys are the ones that make me want to work hard and make sure this channel gives the subscribers what they deserve. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.